guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. It's been many days I didn't post any video because I didn't shoot any videos. I'm not traveling anywhere. Yes, I'm standing in the middle of a road. Usually this road would be full of vehicles, but as you know the situation, people are not coming out. I just came out after many days. I thought of doing a small video for the travel channel. I've been shooting videos related to self-improvement, diabetes and all for my other channel. But this channel I've been not able to post any content for a long time because I am not traveling. Roads are so empty. It looks it's been so almost 2 months people are not able to come out. It's really sad. Hopefully things will change very soon. Let's see. Even I am coming out for a walk after a long time. I usually walk inside our apartment area. So this road is so empty. This is a very busy road. Now it's just 5:40 p.m. and this is how it looks. This year is going to be very different. We are going to miss jackfruits, mangoes. Mysore is a place where there are lots of farms. We usually see these jackfruits and mangoes being sold on roadsides, and this year we are going to miss all those things. Even I have not even seen a single jackfruit this year now. These are the Gulmohar trees. They give a bright pop of color to the summer. These flowers are something we are missing a lot because every year summertime it's an entire Mysore you'll find these kind of trees. We're not able to move around in Mysore. Yesterday there were so many peacocks around here because there are no traffic. The birds are feeling safe to come out. I'm not supposed to come out without a mask. That's the rule. I just came out to get some fresh breath, and moreover there is no crowd here, so it's safe. Because when we go to public places or when we are going for shopping or something, we should definitely wear a mask and maintain social distancing. That is the only way we can fight this. Don't know how long we'll have to be living a life like this. Definitely not accepted by most of us. How long we can do this? Walking middle of the road, and especially these flowers, beautiful flowers. Actually it's just 6 p.m. and it's cloudy. That's why we are missing the right red color of these flowers. This is a small shop which used to be open during these evening times. A small tea shop. Don't know what these people would be doing. There's a small shop here also. Everybody, no income, sitting at home. What else to do? How long can we manage like this? That's the biggest question. This is another shop which is closed because of the current situation. It's going to be really tough for small business people. I have heard that these small shops or standalone shops or neighborhood shops are going to be opened. That should be a relief for people. But definitely the businesses are really affected, and to come out of this situation would take a lot of time. That's a restaurant and a popular foreign liquor shop. I don't know how people are managing without liquor because all the liquor shops are closed. All the sports facilities here are closed for the time being because people get together and chances of infections are there. I just wanted to talk about Maldives. There are, I think, more than 170 people are infected, and the biggest worry is the infection in Malé, the capital, a very densely populated city, and things are not really under control, I think, because lots of people are having symptoms. uh, there are delay in getting the samples tested. It's really tough, it's very difficult, and I understand there is a huge shortage of paramedical staffs and even doctors, medical staffs, and even the test kits there are shortages. So a small country like Maldives, to face these kind of problems is very difficult, but things are going on. My isolation is going on. Biggest thing is my one of my office colleague is being quarantined, and she's quarantined in a resort, a 7-star or a 5-star resort, one of the costliest resort in Maldives. Many resorts are being converted to quarantine centers and isolation facilities. It's good. It's good. It's better because once you are quarantined or isolated in an island, you cannot move out, and things can be managed well. That's a good facility. Mm, then my next travel, no idea. I don't know when I'm going to travel to Maldives. Definitely, my next travel would be to Maldives, and I don't know, even inside India. I'm not able to travel to Kerala. I wanted to go home and meet my mother. It's been like 2-3 months I couldn't meet her. So that's the thing. But anyway, we have to keep our positive energy. Things would change. Everything may not come back to the same old normal. We will have new normals. We will get adjusted to it, and things would be. We have to be happy with what we are, and we should think positively and hope for the best. So stay tuned. I'll be coming up with some videos. Maybe not my next travel video, something which I would want to share with you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.